Unknown health benefits of rice water. Rice is an important staple food in most Asian countries. Most people cook it in a pressure cooker or in an electronic cooker. Cooking in these utensils or appliances gives you plain rice, no water. Now rice surely is healthy, but cooking in this manner prevents you from getting access to something healthier. That product is rice water. Now for this, you need to go past the conventional cooking techniques. You need to use more water than usual. Basically, it's the starch that we are running after. Boiling rice water has numerous health benefits to offer. All you need to do is boil 3 tablespoons of rice in 2 cups of water. Allow it to boil for 20 to 30 minutes. Do not add salt or butter to it. When the water starts to turn milky white, strain it, allow it to cool and drink it. Some people prefer soaking the rice in water for 30 minutes, but it is believed that maximum benefits can be reaped by boiling the same. So now that you know how exactly rice water is prepared, you must use it to your benefit. Yes, there's a wide range of health benefits rice water has to offer. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe our channel by click the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our video uploads by notification. 1. Relaxing for the mind and body. Of the many health benefits of rice water, one is relaxation for your body and mind. All you need to do is add some rice water to your bath and soak your body in it for a couple of minutes. This therapy is very relaxing for your mind and body. 2. Energy. Rice is high in carbs and carbs are the primary source of energy. Drinking rice water acts as a good source of energy. And the best part is that your body easily absorbs all the energy from this drink. Start your day with a glass or rice water, it will keep you charged up throughout the day. 3. Prevents dehydration. Summers are around the corner. The heat and humidity are good enough to rob your body of water and can make you feel dehydrated. To prevent any such incidents from happening, you must drink a glass of rice water before you step out of the house. Rice water provides your body with all the essential nutrients it needs to function efficiently, which it loses in the heat. 4. Manages diarrhea. Rice water is one of the best home remedies for diarrhea for both adults and infants. Infants are more susceptible to get affected by diarrhea. And if it does not get treated, it may develop into dehydration. A study shows that rice water is a very effective remedy for diarrhea in kids as it reduces the volume and frequency of stool. 5. Regulates body temperature. Rice water is a very effective remedy for regulating your body temperature. With summer season around the corner, it is very important for you to come up with techniques to keep your body cool at all times. Rice water can be your solution for the same. It can help you beat the heat. 6. Prevents constipation. Drinking rice water is a good way to get your digestive system running. Its nutrients are helpful in relieving constipation. In addition to this, you must consume fiber-rich foods. These two, together, will keep your digestive system in a good state. 7. Promotes healthy hair. Rice water has a number of benefits to offer for your hair. For years it has been used as a shampoo and conditioner. The only difference was the fact that this one was free of chemicals. It contains inositol, which improves hair elasticity and prevents damage. Besides this, massaging your scalp with rice water helps in strengthening your hair from the roots. If this tip's helpful to you, hit like and comment below. Share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.